Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to fix CS2 VAC error. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Let's now start. Open your Steam launcher. Select CS2 from the Steam game library. Right-click on the game to access its properties and navigate to the Installed Files tab. Click Verify the integrity of game's files. And wait. Select the Steam tab, which is at the upper left corner of your screen. Go to the drop-down menu. Select Exit. Open Task Manager after, and go to the Details tab. Click anywhere in the list to make the changes. To resolve VAC's gaming session validation issue, press S to identify as related processes. Right-click the process. Select End Process. Restart Steam program on CS2 and quit all running Steam processes. If the error persists, quit the game and restart Counter-Strike. Navigate to the game's properties. Click Browse under Installed File section. Right-click the CS.exe application, then Properties, and check Run this program as administrator. Before saving the applications, under the Compatibility tab, check Game's Properties for any incompatible or inaccurate launch options. Visit the Steam library again. To resolve the Valve anti-cheat issue, access the game properties. Right-click on CS2 or CSGO. Locate the Launch Options area under the General tab. Remove all launch options. Unlaunch the game from your Steam library, not on your desktop shortcut. That's all for now, everyone. Thanks for watching.